Hi everyone, welcome back to this video all about the Matrice 350 RTK. Today we're going to show you how to use the BS65 Intelligent Battery Station and the TB65 Intelligent Flight Battery. Don't worry, we'll keep it simple and fun so you can be a pro at managing your drone batteries. Let's dive in. To make the most of your batteries, always label them with stickers and use them in pairs. This helps the batteries last longer and keeps your flights running smoothly. So here's how the station charges the batteries. It charges the batteries in pairs first. If there aren't any pairs, it charges the two with the most power. For the WB37 batteries, the one with the most power gets charged first. It's pretty smart and knows exactly what to do. So, the BS65 has three charging modes. Number one is storage mode, charges batteries to 50%, perfect for long-term storage. Number two is ready to fly mode, charges batteries to 90% so you're always ready for a quick flight. And number three is standard mode, charges the batteries fully. Oh, and there's even a USB-C port to charge your remote controller. Just make sure the battery station is at 100% before doing that. Now let's talk about the battery station management. You'll need the DJI Pilot 2 app to check the health of your batteries, set self-discharge settings, and even update the firmware. Just connect your remote controller to the station using the USB-C port and open the app. So now let's talk about cold weather. These batteries have a self-heating function to keep them warm. When the temperature is below 18 degrees, the batteries heat themselves up to work properly. Pro tip, press and hold the battery button for 5 seconds to turn on self-heating manually. If you're not flying for a while, store your batteries properly. Charge them to 50% in storage mode and check them every 3 months to keep them healthy. And that's it. Now you know how to use the BS65 battery station and take care of your TB65 batteries like a pro. Remember, label and pair your batteries, use the app to manage them, store them at 50% when not in use. That is really important. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more awesome drone content. See you in the next one and happy flying.